Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've opened the video and C captions are available. Good. First, click the gear icon at the bottom right of the player to open settings, then choose Subtitles/CC. If multiple subtitle tracks are listed, pick the one that most closely matches the original language. This ensures better machine translation quality when you change languages. Once selected, pause and note the exact subtitle label, because you'll need it for the next step, where automatic translation is applied. Now that you've selected the base subtitle track, choose Auto Translate from the Subtitles/CC menu. This applies YouTube's translation layer. Next, either scroll the long language list or type your target language in the search box to jump straight to it. Once you pick the language, captions re-render in your chosen language immediately. Playback will keep syncing. Make sure to test a short segment to confirm timing and phrasing. Machine translation can slightly alter line breaks or timing. To finish, adjust caption size or playback speed for comfortable reading and resume watching. If auto-translate isn't available or looks wrong, switch to a different base subtitle track in the original language and repeat the translate step. Some tracks translate better. If captions still fail to appear, reload the page, clear cache, or try the YouTube app. Intermittent bugs happen. One key troubleshooting tip: if timing is off, try enabling the original captions without translation to verify the source timestamps before translating again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.